Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M5 versus the Dodge Viper. We'll explore their distinct philosophies, from the M5's luxurious, high-tech cabin to the Viper's unapologetically raw, driver-centric cockpit. You'll learn how these two performance titans deliver excitement in very different ways, helping you decide which machine best suits your driving desires. Let's dive into the details of their engineering and design. When it comes to power, both cars are formidable. The M5's twin-turbo V8 delivers incredible acceleration and refined power delivery, often paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Viper, on the other hand, boasts a legendary V10 engine, providing a visceral, naturally aspirated experience, usually with a 6-speed manual gearbox. This fundamental difference shapes their driving dynamics significantly. The driving experience truly sets them apart. The M5 excels as a daily driver, offering a plush interior, advanced technology, and ample space for passengers and luggage. It's a car you can comfortably take on long trips or to the grocery store. The Viper, however, is a pure sports car, demanding more from its driver and offering a raw, unfiltered connection to the road, best suited for weekend thrills or track days. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. If you desire a sophisticated, powerful sedan that can handle family duties and track days with equal prowess, the BMW M5 is an excellent choice. But if you crave an unadulterated, high-octane, two-seat sports car built for pure driving exhilaration, the Dodge Viper stands alone. Both are incredible machines, just designed for different purposes. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.